Okay, hi guys. So we are going to begin a new standard. So we're going to be multiplying numbers with exponents. So this video should help you for Monday's assignment on Nearpod. So we are going to begin with expanding each of the following powers. So the first power has been done for you. It is 2 to the third power. And so what that means is that you're going to multiply 2 with itself 3 times. So here is the example. And once you type that in your calculator, 2 times 2 times 2, you should get 8. So let's do one together. So the first one is 6 to the power of 5. So that means that 6 is going to be multiplied to itself 5 times. So I'm going to write that out. I'm going to write 6 times 6 times 6 times 6 times 6. And that should be 5 times. And you can either get out your own personal calculator or you can use Desmos. If you type in 6 to the power of 5, 6 to the power of 5, you should get 7,776. So I'm going to go ahead and go back to my worksheet and I'm going to write 7,776. Okay, let's do number 3 next. So number 3 is different because it's not a number, it's a variable. That variable is going to be x. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to multiply x with itself 5 times. So we're going to write out x times x times x times x times x. And then we just leave it like that because we cannot put it into the calculator. It doesn't have a value. It's only a variable. Okay, so now the next example that we're going to do is going to be different. It says write each of the following in exponent form. So now we're going to work backwards and we are going to count the number of numbers there is that's being multiplied to itself. So for number 4, we have 4 being multiplied to itself 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. So we are going to write 4 to the power of 7. And that is how you would write it in exponent form. Okay, and I'm going to skip number 5. That's going to be part of your assignment. So you are going to get to try that one on your own. For the next part of the lesson, we are going to convert each power in the multiplication problem into expanded form. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight that. So we're going to convert each power into expanded form. And then you're going to combine all of your factors so that they are together. Then we write the problem using exponents. So we're going to combine everything we just did in this last part. So let's go ahead and do number 6 together. So number 6 says that we have 4 to the power of 3 multiplied to 4 to the power of 7. So I am going to write that out. So 4 multiplied to 4 multiplied to 4. And then we're going to have the same thing, but it's going to be to the power of 7. So we're going to multiply 4 with itself 7 times. So 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's not enough space. So if you don't have enough space either, it's okay. Just try to fit it all in there also in the box. So now we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 4s. So here we're going to combine all of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 4s in that third box. And instead of having to write that all out, I am gonna just write 4 to the power of 10. And that is why exponents are useful, because we don't have to write large numbers multiplied to themselves over and over again, we could just use an exponent to express the same thing. Let's do 7 together also. 7 is multiplying exponents that have variables. So the first one is the variable z, and that is taken to the power of 2, and that's going to be multiplied to z with a power of 5. So we're going to do the same thing. So we're going to expand it out. So z multiplied to z, that's going to be 2 z's, and then we're going to do it again with 5 z's. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I have a total of 7 z's. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in my box, I am going to write 7 z to the power of 7. Z to the power of 7 because there are 7 z's. I hope you guys are starting to see a pattern with that. I won't tell you the pattern yet. Hopefully you are able to see it.